Affirming phrases help the other person feel smart. Now let's look at some sample affirming phrase responses to help these callers feel smart. That's a great question. I'm glad you mentioned that. I am glad you asked. So they might say, this might be a really stupid question, but is it possible to? And you say, that's actually a great question because since you called before the order deadline, see how a carefully placed affirming phrase can help the caller feel smart for asking. If we simply answer the question without the affirming phrase, we missed our opportunity to help that person feel good or smart. Here is another example. They say, forgive me if this is a really silly comment to make, but... And you say, oh, I'm actually glad you mentioned that because... Here we are able to put an uncomfortable caller at ease with a simple affirming phrase. And now one final example. They say, I know this is a dumb question, but... And you say, oh, I'm glad you asked, Mr. Jones. Let me assure you that your account is all up to date and... Affirming phrases cost you nothing and add value to the interaction for both parties by helping the other person feel good or smart.